Got some takeaway, and this time it is from Golden Prince Hotel. This takeaway is one of Kabilin's Heritage Lounge pamahaw tibuok adlaw. And nganong na ako'y takeaway, rewind sa tabi. Well, they offer this as a delivery too, pero I got this when I visited Golden Prince Hotel and Suites when they launched the reopening of Kabilin Heritage Lounge. Here you can see their pamahaw tibuok adlaw that comes in 2+1. Pero let's talk about it later, pero musulod sa ta sa Kabilin Heritage Lounge kay mao gid ni ang usa sa akong kamingawan nga restaurant. Why? Kay nagsulod nimo mura radyo kag nasa inyong panimalay. It's like so chill, so homey ang pangapagkaon kay lutong bahay kaayo. And to adapt with the new normal ang ilahang menu kay QR code na pod. And if ever you have been following me, kibaw gid mo kung mabisita ko nganhi ang ako jong orderon kay ang Humba Cebuana. Because without bias, they are one of the best humba here in Cebu. And ganahan jud ko sa pasaging all the time. And of course, kung humba, dapat daghan kita og rice, and they have now their spinach rice. And to be more healthy, dapat parisan pa gyud nato og pinakbet. And for that, mga ona gyud ayon ta guys, and nara na ang humba with a lot of tambok. For that, usa sa gyud kada kong kutsara nga rice. And humba again, what I really like ilang humba kay literally mo melt in your mouth gyud. And syempre count sa tagamang vegetables para healthy. And let's go to more humba again. Bakit ba? Mobitaw na akong gianhingan And parisan again og vegetables. And mo kabantay ni balhin jud ko no kay nahutdan ko og rice or mo balhin tangan kay mas daghan og rice ug mas daghang sabaw ang humba. Yes, kay sabaw pa lang sa humba sud-an na siya. What I really like also kay equal gud ang proportion sa tambok ug sa unod. In which you would agree basta humba gali dapat daghan gud na og tambok no. And since we are here also, let's have a quick tour in their function rooms. Because right now Golden Prince Hotel and Suites opens already their function room for intimate and small occasions. And now nag-adapt na sad sila unsaon ang buffet sa new normal, in which ang ato ang mga kutsarag tinidor o baso naka-sealed na sad siya or enclosed na gyud all the time. And then of course getting of the foods dili na kay pwede mo kuha na ang nag-server nga moy mo assess o ikaw na lang mosulti kung unsa gidaghanon imo kinahanglan to make it sure nga less og contact sa mga foods. And for that mo kuha na kasi mong dessert. Then you will proceed to your table, in which ang seating capacity is around 50% only, so lagyo or 1 meter yun yung distance to the other guests. And ang tables lagyo po pagkabutang. And if you have noticed also, aside sa waiters, naana sa sanitary team nga magsigig suroy o magsigig tsako sa atong mga lingkuranan o sa ato ang tables. Because now they have elevated their Golden Prince cares, which naana gyud silang shirt at pagpahinom dong pagpuyo, palayo, pagtabon, panghugas, panglimpyo. Yes, because of that, I strongly believe we will heal as one. For that, let's go back to the pamahaw tibuok adlaw, in which what I am having is the chorizo bungkag, but naasad sila chicken tocino, pork tocino, og arroz a la cubana. It is at 235 each, but since naka 2+1, so for 470 pesos, naana kay tulo ka pamahaw tibuok adlaw. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!